Friday night, folks. Friday night. It's a windy, really windy Friday night down here at Lunan Bay. Not been down here for a while actually on this side of Lunan Bay. It's been a good, what, 6-7 months. So we're going to go just for a quick walk along the beach tonight, folks, while the sun's still out. It's cold though. Shorts are on, but it's cold. But it's wonderful. It's always wonderful down here. A few cars in the car park, so let's go and see who's on the beach. Some of the dunes. These are the smaller dunes. Look at them. I don't think I'm going to be climbing these tonight, folks, though. Maybe another time. Too tired these days. Right, here's the beach. I had to put my, oh, there's a crab, look. I had to put my hood up because it's so cold. Hope you can hear us over the window. I've got the mic on, but it's awesome down here tonight, loving it. But you can feel it's time to get the kind of thick jumpers on again though. Or is it just me getting old? Oh, wonderful. Big waves as well, folks, tonight, big waves. Folks, I've never seen it like this before. I've seen a few windy days at Lunan, but this is awesome. It's actually sore on my legs with the sand blowing. It's like we're in the Sahara Desert. I had to tie my kind of hood up because the sand was going like everywhere. But it's actually stinging. It's actually stinging my legs. I should have had my Lawrence of Arabia kind of head thing on. I actually got one when I was in Jordan. You had to kind of wear them when you went to the desert. And I think I've still got it somewhere. And it kept you all kind of free from the sand. But I can see Bodden in front of me, way over there in the distance. And there's a few kind of caves and arches up here at the top, which we'll go and look at. Right, we're at the top of Lunan Bay. This area you can't really get to an awful lot because of the tides, obviously. But you can explore. There's a lot of rock pools up there, a lot of big rock formations, and there's an arch around there which I've been to before, and the cave, obviously. Yeah, you get behind the sun here to go exploring, but the tide's coming in, so can I get across here without getting wet? Do a brow waddle. There you go. And there's all these little kind of nooks and crannies that you can explore. There's a little grotto in there, but it's quite awkward to get to. You have to watch because the tide kind of suddenly sneaks up on you, as you can see. Look, see what I mean? Just have to be very careful, folks. Let's just quickly sneak through here before we get caught. There's a few caves and things, but look, we're not going to get far because the water's blocking us in here. There's a little kind of cave through there you can get to. And there's the waves that come through here. Right, while we're up here, we're going to have a quick walk through the cave like we always do. There's some nice colours in here. This is always the worst bit, folks, climbing back up the dunes. It's a killer on the thighs, especially if you've not done stuff like this for a while. Right, we'll try and climb up to the top of that one. And look how steep it is, it's like Everest up there. Ooh, got sun on the dunes. Climb every mountain. Right, there we go, folks. As I was looking down Lunan Bay, right down the far end where I normally go, towards Icky Haven, way down there. Excuse the camera, it's very windy. And that's where I've just been, way up that end. There is the big dune. I can actually see my shadow. Just wee. Right, my teeth are actually crunching, folks, because of the sand. Right. Now I have to get down this bit here. Oh, this bit here. And this will be if sand, yeah, shoes filled with sand. Okay. I take off like a big windsock. Beautiful.